Hey guys, I had just posted a video showing that you can upgrade the RIPSAW after you upgrade the RIPSAW, and you can put it in the Pack-a-Punch machine and increase its ammo count and also refill its ammo. To do that, you have to pick up a hidden fuse that will show up right here after you fire this cannon, and to be able to fire this cannon, you have to know these ENIGMA machine locations that give you a coordinate so that you can put the coordinates in and then fire the cannon, and the fuse will show up right behind you. When I had originally made the video, we only knew 5 locations of the ENIGMA machines, and you need all 6. Well, the 6th one has been found. A big shout out to DailyGamerNick. He showed it to me. I'll have his YouTube down in the description. The first location out of 6 for these ENIGMA machines is right here underneath this walkway. You can just go prone or use a sniper to check it out. The second location is just down the walkway back towards the beach and spawn area. There is a zombie spawn with some bent open bars and a body hanging. You can see it right here. You will need a sniper, and there is a sniper wall by up by the Pack-a-Punch machine on the wall. It's real easy to find. The third location is going towards the power switch, and the submarine pin is on the left. All you do is go prone right here, and through these bars you can see another ENIGMA machine right here. Now you can jump up and run around this corner all the way up the stairs towards this AA cannon, and there's going to be a machine on the right of that on the ground. This one can confuse people, and you need to be looking for the symbol or number that is on the front of that machine below that bar. You can see that it is a negative sign and there's nothing on top of it, so you don't want to be looking at the numbers or anything on top. Now you can turn around and go into this building right here, and there is a locker that is open, and on the top shelf is the one that we couldn't find. So it's now been located, and yeah, this is the machine right here. Then the final and 6th machine is going to be located right out that window right there. After you look at all of these 6 ENIGMA machines, you should be able to fill in all the spaces and know the coordinates for the left and right. So that's going to be the vertical and horizontal elevation for the cannon so that you can fire it and be able to produce that fuse. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.